Good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. Today for math, we're going to begin with a video of counting to 100 by tens.
The Singing Walrus.
Counting by tens. 1, 2, 3, 4.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
That's how you count by tens.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how you count by tens.
Can you count from 10 to 100?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
How do you
We
count
count
from 10
to
to
100.
100?
Count by tens. Count by tens.
Can you show me how?
Yes. Count with me. Count with me. Everybody sing. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
That's how you count by tens.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how we count by tens. 10,
10, 20,
20,
30,
30,
40,
40,
50,
50,
60,
60,
70,
70,
80,
80,
90,
90,
100.
100.
10,
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how you count by tens. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how you count by tens. Good job, boys and girls. Let's get back to our slideshow here. Thank you for singing along with me. Let's read our objectives. Say, I can practice counting forward from any number other than 1. And that's our kindergarten number sense standard 1. For today's activities, you're going to just need a dry erase marker and a whiteboard, which you have a little makeshift one in your blue folder, and then something to erase with like a sock or a tissue. Alright, I'm going to move up out of the way so you can see. So we're going to do a warm-up one together. We're going to practice counting on. So in our class we have 28 students. We're going to start at 28 and count on, okay? And we're going to use this number line and our materials today to help us. So if I start at 28, I know that looks like this right here. I say 28 and I count on 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Good job counting with me. Boys and girls, did we start at the number 1 and count up? No, good job. We started at a different number. We started at the number 28. So with your marker, we're going to write the numbers that we counted on from. I'll start at 28. And then I'm going to keep counting until I get up to 40. So write your numbers: 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I'll show you what my board looks like and see if yours matches mine. I started at 28 over here, and I counted up until I got to 40. Good job, boys and girls. Let's erase and try another one. Okay, so this one I'm going to try by myself because I want to make sure you boys and girls really know what I'm doing before we try one together, okay? So I'm going to start at the number 39. Can you say 39? Good job. And I'm going to count on or up, and I'm going to use my number line to help me. So I know that the 39 is this one right here, 3 and a 9, and I'm going to count up from 39 till the end of my number line. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So I started at 39. I need to write those numbers on my whiteboard. $39, $40, $41, $42, $43, $44, $45, $46, $47. I'm going to show you my whiteboard now, boys and girls. I started over here at 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Did I start at 1? Nope, that's not what we're doing today. Today we're starting at other numbers and counting up. Good job. Okay, are you ready to try one with me now? Make sure you have all your materials out. This time we're going to start at the number 67. Can you say 67? I want to give you a second to find it on the number line. See if you can find the number 67. I see some boys and girls counting and pointing to the number 67. I'll show you with my arrow. 67. So we need to out loud at first count up until the end of our number line, okay? 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Good job, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and write those numbers we said out loud. Start with 67. That's a 6 and a 7. 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. And when you're all done, hold up your board so I can see. Good job, boys and girls. Here's mine. See if yours matches. Starting at 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Good job. Let's try another one. Go ahead and erase your board. All right, we're going to try one more together before you try one on your own. Okay, this time we're going to start at the number 11. Can you say 11? Good job. Can you find the number 11 on our number line? I see boys and girls pointing to the number 11. It's a 1 and a 1. It looks just like this. Good job. And we're going to count up till the end of our number line. Are you ready to count with me? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Good job, boys and girls. Those teen numbers can be tricky, and you did a great job. So now that we've said them out loud, let's go ahead and write the numbers. Starting at 11, we count up. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'll give you a minute to finish writing your numbers, and then we'll check and see if we got it correct. I like how hard all the boys and girls are working right now. Keep it up. All right, let's check our boards. Here's my board. I started at 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I know you got that right. Kiss your brain. Good job. So boys and girls, remember today we don't start at number 1 when we count. We're starting at a given number and we count up. This is called interrupted counting. All right, we're going to do one on your own now. Get me smaller. Okay, so erase your board and get ready to do one by yourself. All right, this time you're going to practice counting on from the number 92. Can you say 92? You're going to use this number line to help you count. Look at the number line, boys and girls. Can you find the number 92? Good job finding it. Okay, I want you to first out loud count until the end of the number line. So I should hear boys and girls starting at their number 92 and counting up. Very good. After you're done counting out loud, use your marker and write those numbers down that you just counted. When you're all done writing those numbers down, have someone at home take a picture of it for me and send it on Class Dojo, Parent Square, or text message. And when you're all finished, I have an extra fun practice for you. You can practice counting at home by playing hide and seek. So maybe you find somewhere and you start counting with your eyes closed. Maybe instead of starting at 1 like you normally do, start at another number like 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ready or not, here I come. And go find someone that you're playing with. Alright, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed our lesson. I miss you all so much, but I'll see you next time. Bye!